Samsung is preparing to introduce its flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S24, in January 2024. This year, the S24 Ultra will sport a titanium frame, while the premium edition Galaxy S24 Ultra has already disclosed some of its color options: titanium black, gray yellow, and violet. Onyx black, marble gray, umber yellow, and cobalt violet are some of the colors available for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. However, fresh speculations say that these models will be available in 3 colors: orange, purple, and white. Please keep in mind that these may not be their actual color names, since they were identified based on photographs of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus SIM tray. For the normal version of the Galaxy S24, the SIM card tray image shows the colors of the frame given inside. It's worth noting that these colors may be exclusive and only available through the Samsung website. Furthermore, as we move forward in the leaks and rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 series, it appears that Samsung has made some changes to the camera setup on the S24 pricing. Not only these upgrades to the main 200-megapixel camera sensor, but one of the standout features is expected to be more powerful AI capability. Despite introducing AI features and reserving the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 exclusively for the S24 Ultra, Samsung is pleasantly surprising us with the price compared to the previous year model, which means that the Galaxy S24 will start at $700, the S24 Plus will be priced at $999, and the top-of-the-line S24 Ultra will be priced at $1,199, and this time around they are offering an exciting pre-ordered deal such as complimentary Galaxy Watches or Galaxy Birds. Using the same 200-megapixel sensor as its predecessor, Samsung has improved its night mode and low-light capabilities for both images and movies. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.